I had some tandoori paste left over from a dinner last night, so I thought why not fold some of it through a sourdough. I wanted to create a kind of red marbled effect that would be really striking when you slice through the crumb, rather than mixing into the dough itself at the start of the process. This is my regular white kind of blank canvas sourdough that I like to add additions to. It's 50% stiff levain as well as 70% hydration. I was interested to see what the acid in the tandoori paste would do to the fermentation process, and it's pretty cold today, so I ended up giving this another 20 minutes to proof than I normally would. You can see as we sliced through it that marbling effect was definitely achieved, and coming out of the oven, this thing smelled amazing. You want to know how it tastes? This is my live reaction to taking a bite. Fuck. God damn. I'm chalking this one up as a win for sure. This is definitely getting done again.